the sun. I got you tight in night. I move so far in time. I move so far in time. I've been picked up in.
Hey everyone, my name is Keshante Chantel and welcome to my channel. So if you have been here before, welcome back. And if you have not been here and this is your first time joining me, welcome to my beautiful family. I hope that you will like, comment, and subscribe before leaving. So today we are doing a purse review. I am super excited because from the moment that I saw this bag in store, I have been wanting it. It has been on my wish list. But I just didn't have the money to get it. So when this bag went on sale, believe me, I was the first person. I don't know if I was the first person, but I jumped on it very, very quickly. So I am talking about the Brahmin. This is from the Ombre Melbourne collection. This bag is just beautiful. Like, if you have been to this channel before, then you know that I absolutely love anime. Like, I eat, sleep, and breathe it. And I am obsessed with Howl's Moving Castle. So when I was out and I saw this bag, I instantly thought of Calcifer. So I am just like, that's my little Calcifer bag, and I have been wanting it since then, and I am obsessed. This is a bag for all seasons because honestly, with the color of this, it's like ombre, orange, red. It reminds me of fire. Like, not a lot of people like Brahmins, and that's okay. I am in my Brahmin era and I am loving it. I was once in my Michael Kors era, my Kate Spade era, but I'm in my Brahmin era, and this is giving grown and sexy, classy vibes, and I am loving it. So I absolutely love this bag. I love Brahmin because their bags are pretty hard, which what I love about it is because it keeps the integrity of the bag. So you don't have to worry about like your bag getting floppy or getting creases. You can purchase the leather cleaner for the bag, but I don't think that I've gotten that yet just because I don't wear my bags enough. So they all typically come with a dust ruffle where you can store your bags in these. So okay, and not only does your Brahmin come with the dust ruffle, it's going to come with some paper. Some people throw this away, some people actually keep it because it helps like widen the inside of the bag or keep, again, the integrity. Not only does your Brahmin come with those things, your Brahmin's going to come with a thank you card, but they each have a case number where you can go online and you can register your bag. So basically, your bag is guaranteed to be free of any manufacturer defects for 12 months from the day that you purchase it. So when you purchase your bag, you need to go to Brahmin.com and you need to register your handbag so that if anything happens to it, you can send this bag back. They will either replace it or they should fix it. So you basically get a 2-year complimentary guarantee. Again, the bag does not cover damage due to normal wear and tear. So if you have a Brahmin and you are a person that likes to put thousands of things in your purse and the purse becomes, the leather becomes stretched because of being overweight, that I don't believe is going to be covered. But yeah, I think that's pretty cool that they give you the registration card. You also get a care card. So this is basically going to tell you how to take care of your Brahmin bag. Again, they do have a special cleanser that you can purchase specifically for cleaning and taking care of your Brahmin. So some of the special features of this bag that I am living for. So number one, the bag is leather. That is what you're paying for. This bag was originally $345. You are paying for a genuine leather bag. It has a zip top closure. So basically this is the top of the bag where you can pretty much open and close it. So on the inside of the bag, you have, again, more paper, which is not a problem, but it does come with a strap. So if you want to wear this as like a crossbody or have it hanging over your arms, you have the option to do so. Or if you want to carry it just by holding the handles alone, you can do that as well. The bag features an interior organizer zip pocket, a zip wallet pocket, a key clip, a pin pocket, and jewelry pockets. This bag comes with a lot of pockets. So if you're a girl like me who just absolutely loves pockets, you are going to love this bag. So on the inside, you have the pocket that's right here. You also have your key clip or your purse clip right here, where you can just basically not have your keys and stuff get lost in the bag. It also comes with a pocket here, and then there is this little small side where you can clip your pin and stick it down in this little hole. There's also another zip pocket right here. The inside is satin lined, which I absolutely love that. The strap is 25 inches. So this strap right here is 25 inches. So if you want, again, you can pretty much, I'm going to open this. And you can wear this bag as a crossbody. What I love is because every single Brahmin comes with this little keychain, or this little emblem that just signifies this is a Brahmin statement piece. I love that because it just adds a little bit of extra flair to the bag. So if I wanted to take and wear this like a crossbody, and it is super cute, I could wear it like that. The bag is big enough to store your phone, a makeup bag, tissues. You can put a lot of things in this purse. It can even store like a mini iPad. But again, you don't want to just put so much stuff in a bag like this, because this bag can be for minimalists. But if you just like a lot of stuff, then you can put it in the bag. But going back to the wear and tear, it is not covered in your warranty if it is due to non-manufactural problems. So I like the fact that 100% of the Brahmin products are designed in Massachusetts. They use luxury leathers from Italy and around the globe. So let's just talk about how much I paid for this bag, because again, like I told you guys, this bag was originally $345 and I caught it on sale. So this bag is now on dillards.com for $241.50. $241.50 including tax. But the shipping is free because you are spending over $100, I believe. And so right now, this bag is gonna sell out. If you are a Brahmin collector and you just absolutely love their bags, then definitely they have a lot of other styles. But again, like I said, I watch anime and I absolutely love calcifer, so it made me think of this bag specifically. Also, there is a pocket on the outside of this bag where you can just put your you could store a cell phone, but it would definitely have to be without the case. So if I wanted to just take my phone and slide it in there, I could. So one thing that I know about Brahmins is once these bags go on sale, they are going to fly out the door, and then they are going to go into a collector's hands where they could possibly resell the bag at a higher price just because the bags are going to be in demand. So if you are a Brahmin lover like I am, definitely go to dillards.com, go to their sale site, because right now they have some that are anywhere between 25% to 65% off, and I just feel like, why spend full price when you can get one at a discounted price? I am that girl that loves to save money. So again, I just wanted to share my latest Brahmin in my collection. Right now I have 3 Brahmins, and you guys have seen some of the other ones on this channel, but that is the new addition to this family. So again, if you have not already, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Join my beautiful online family. If you are a Brahmin lover, please don't forget to drop a comment in the comment section below and let me know what is your favorite color, pattern, and style. And guys, I will see you in my next video.